Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Aparna and in this video I will discuss about Git installation. Okay, in my previous video I had discussed about the basics of Git, and in this video I am going to discuss about how to install Git on Windows. To install Git on Windows you have to go to any browser and type for git install for Windows. Okay, and the first site that you get here is downloads git. Click here, and then you have the option for download for Windows. Click here. Then you have two options, 32-bit git and 64-bit git. Okay, you have to check your Windows configuration whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit. Mine is 64-bit, so I will click here. Okay, when I click here it will start downloading, and after it is downloaded you have to install it. Okay, so to install it, click here. Then it will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You have to click yes. Then it opens a window like this. You have to click next, 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 next. Okay, next, next, next. And then you have to install. Okay, and as you can see here it started installing. Okay, you have to wait for its installation, and if you have already installed Git on your system, then it will remove the previous Git version and replace it with the updated version. Okay, as you can see here the installation has been complete, so click on finish. Okay, so the Git has been installed on your system, so you can check whether Git has been installed on your system or not by going to command prompt cmd. Okay, here you have to write git. It shows such a long message when I run the command git. Okay, so that means Git has been installed, and if you want to check the version of Git that has been installed, you can run the command git version. Okay, so here you can see that the installed version of Git is 2.38.0. Windows 1. Okay, so that means Git has been installed. If it shows some error that is related to Git, okay, then what you need to do is you have to set the environment variables. Okay, so for that, and also you have to check whether the Git has been installed in the program files or not. That means you have to check for program files and whether you can find Git here or not. I can find Git here. Okay, so that means the Git has been installed on the correct path. Okay, otherwise if the Git folder is not here, then you have to copy paste it in the program files. Okay, and in the Git folder you can see some folders and some files also. Okay, so you have to set the path for the bin folder and the cmd folder. Okay, so to set the environment variables, what you need to do is on the search you have to type environment variables. Okay, edit the system environment variables. Go here. Okay, and here you have to click on environment variables, and here you can see other variables for Acer like that, and here you can see the path. Okay, click here, and as I had already installed Git, so that's why I have the path for bin and cmd folders. Okay, if you don't have the path for the bin and cmd folder of Git, then you need to add these paths. Okay, so to add the path you need to click on new like that and copy paste the path uh, from the program files where the Git is stored. Okay, and then you have to click on OK. Okay, edit the environment variables and click on OK. As I have already added the environment variables, I don't need to add them. Okay, for git bin and git cmd. Okay, so that was all about the installation of Git and how you can set the environment variables. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you. Bye bye.